That's sick. Oh, dude, it looks like you're rapping or something.
Blizzard cold as fuck, I don't give a fuck. Brown in my cup, plus I got my gloves.
You know I got my beanie, you know what can mean. I'm just tryna watch some porn cause it's fucking hella cold, B.
Hands hella warm, toes hella toasty. Now we gotta go to the stove for some groceries.
Line's too long, man, let's go home.
Plus I got my mama calling on my phone, asking if I'm alright. Say yeah, I'm cool.
Little does she know that we breaking all the rules.
Acting like some fools, drinking all the brews, punching all the snow.
Plus I'm fucking it too. We fucking it too. And we fucking it too. Man, we fucking it too.
Man, it's cold in Manhattan. Goddamn fam, it's snowed in Manhattan. Couldn't pick a jacket, so we just started rapping. Y'all scary like rats, so we just started trapping. Goddamn.
Goddamn.
Where does Spider-Man come into this occasion?
I don't know, why not?
Uh-oh.
Shit mad funny.
He's gonna run into you.